In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set list limits in Trello using the list limits power up. If your boards tend to get crowded and you want a simple way to keep work in progress under control, list limits are a great tool. They let you set a maximum number of cards per list, helping you spot bottlenecks and maintain a steady workflow. Start by going to your boards and opening the specific board you want to manage. Once you're on that board, look for the Power Ups button. It's usually near the top of the board interface. Click on the Power Ups button, then select Add Power Ups to open the Power Ups directory. This catalog can sometimes take a while to load, so be patient here. It's normal for it to take longer than other parts of the app. Avoid refreshing the page, as that can restart the loading process. After the directory loads, use the search bar and type the word list. You're looking for the power-up called list limits. When you see it, click on list limits to add it to your board. Once you have list limits added, you're ready to configure your limits on the lists that matter most. Now go back to your board view. On the list where you want to set a limit, click on the three dots to open the list menu. This is the list's action menu, and it gives you options specific to that list. In that menu, click on Set List Limits. A small window or panel will appear prompting you to choose the maximum number of cards for this list. Type the number of maximum cards you want. Think about your team's typical workload and choose a number that encourages focus without blocking progress. You can always adjust this later as your workflow evolves. When you're happy with the number, click on Save. From here on out, that list will keep an eye on the number of cards for you. As you approach or exceed the limits, you'll have a visual cue that it's time to finish work in progress before adding more. You can repeat the same process for any other list on the board where a cap would be helpful. And if you ever need to change the limit, just return to the three-dot menu on the list, open Set List Limits again, and update the number. That's all there is to it. By adding the list limits power-up, setting a clear maximum, and saving your choice, you'll create a more manageable, focused board that supports steady, predictable progress.